Hey viewers, Michael Warren here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to play It Must Have Been Love on guitar by Roxette. F for a bar, G for a bar, C, F for a bar, D minor for a bar, G, A minor. This is a fantastic song for beginners to intermediate players to practice open chords and some bar chords. I'll start by showing you all the chords and how to play them. So if you know these chords, jump ahead to this time. If not, I'll break each one down for you. Now this song doesn't have a lot of guitar in it. He occasionally strums a chord on the first beat and does some arpeggio picking. So in this version, I'll show you all the chords in the song so you can have a sing along. Don't forget, if you like this lesson, to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Songs and lessons uploaded weekly. If you have any problems with this song, leave a comment and let me know how you go with this one. So let's get into it. Let's start with the chords. So we have a standard C chord, so we'll have the third fret on the A string, second fret on the D string, open G, first fret on the B and open E string. That's just our C chord. Now we have an F chord. You can play this as an open chord or as a bar chord there. So as a bar chord, we have the first fret on the E string, third fret on the A and the D, second fret on the G string, and first fret on the B and the E, and that's our F bar chord. If you're doing it as an open chord, be third fret on the D, second fret on the G, first fret on the B and the E. We have a standard G chord there, so we have third fret on the E string, second fret on the A, open D and G, third fret on the B and the E, and that's our G chord there. We have a G minor, a bar chord as well. So we're barring the third fret, so third fret on the E string, fifth fret on the A and the D, third fret on the G, B and E, and that's our G minor. We have a standard D minor chord there, open chord, so we have open D string, second fret on the G, third fret on the B, and first fret on the E, and that's our D minor. We have an A minor, so there's lots of chords in this. We have the open A string, we have second fret on the D and the G, first fret on the B, and open E string, and that's our A minor. We have a B flat in there as well. So we're barring the first fret again, so first fret on the A string, third fret on the D, G and B, and first fret on the E string, and that's our B flat. We have a C minor bar chord, so we're barring the third fret, so third fret on the A string, fifth fret on the D and the G, fourth fret on the B, and third fret on the E string, and that's our C minor. And our last chord is an E flat. So this time we're coming up to the 6th fret on the A string. We have the 8th fret on the D, G and B, and the 6th fret on the E string, and that's our E flat there. And they're all the chords he uses, so there is quite a few in there, and a couple of bar chords as well. So the strumming pattern we're using when we're playing just a standard 4 count or have 4 beats in a bar, will just be our down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So slowly, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's a count of 4, so up to speed. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. If we're doing just a count of 2, we're just going to do down, 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 up. So slowly, down, 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 up, and up to speed. Down, 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 up. So they're the 2 strumming patterns we're using. So our intro is going to start on the C, and we're going to do that for 2 bars. But you can start by playing the first fret on the E string, and then the open before you play that C. And then 2 bars on the C. 2 bars on the F, and again you can use the bar chord or the open chord here. back to C for 2 bars, and F for 2 bars. And that's our intro, so pretty easy. 2 bars C, 2 bars F, and then just repeat that. So we play that intro for you. That's our intro. From there we're going straight into our first verse. I'm going to have C for 2 bars, same strumming pattern. F for a bar. G for a bar. C for a bar. F for a bar. D minor for a bar, G for a bar, A minor for a bar, C for a bar, F for a bar, and G for a bar. So that's our verse. Lots of chords in there, so let me play that for you now. F for a bar, G for a bar, C, F for a bar, D minor for a bar, G, A minor, Now from there, when I went to the F to the G, I just used the same bar chord, so it's exactly the same as the F, just move it up 2 frets, and you can do the G bar chord there, or the G open, either one, they're both correct. Now let's get into our first chorus. We're just going to have C for a bar, F for a bar, D minor, and we're going to do this for half a bar, so we're down, 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 up, A minor for half a bar, and G for a bar. So with that first chorus, the D minor is half a bar, the A minor is half a bar there, and we just do that 2 times. So let me play that through once for you. D minor half a bar, A minor half a bar, and G. And just do that through 2 times, and that's your first chorus. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same as our first verse. Then we have our second chorus, and this changes a little bit now. We're going to have C for a bar, F for a bar, D minor half a bar, A minor half a bar, and G for a bar. So that's the same as our first chorus. Then we go to C for a bar, G minor for a bar this time, C for 2 bars, and then B flat for 2 bars. Now you can also play that B flat up on the 6th fret if you want there. It sounds better, I think, on that lower B flat. That's our second chorus. Let me play that through for you now. The F, D that's our second chorus. Then from there we go into our instrumental, and we start on the D minor and we do that for a bar. C for a bar. B flat for a bar. D minor for a bar. F for a bar. C for a bar. B flat for a bar. Then we're going to do D minor for half a bar and C for half a bar. So now let me play that instrumental there for you, starting on the D minor for a bar, C for a bar, B flat for a bar, D minor for a bar, F one bar, C, B flat, D minor, and our C. And that's our instrumental. So that's changed completely from our verse and our first chorus and our second chorus. And then from there we go to this outro of the song, which we're starting on the F. We do that for a bar, B flat for a bar, G minor half a bar, D minor half a bar, and C for a full bar. And we do that 3 times. Let me just play it through once for you, starting on the F. B flat, G minor half a bar, D minor, and C for a bar. Do that 3 times, then we go to F for a bar, C minor for a bar, to F for 2 bars this time, now we're going to come up to our E flat and we're going to do that for 2 bars. Back to our F for a bar, B flat for a bar, G minor for half a bar, D minor for half a bar, and C for 1 bar. And we do that 2 times from the F, so another bar at F, B flat, G minor half a bar, D minor half a bar, and C for a bar, and that finishes off our song. So let me play that last part from the F to the C minor for you there. F for a bar, C minor for a bar, F for 2 bars, now E flat for 2 bars, back to F for a bar, B flat for a bar, G minor half a bar, D minor half a bar, and our C for a bar. And that finishes off the song there. So there's quite a lot of chords and chord changes. So just go slowly and build your speed up. And it's good practice on some of those chords, the C minor and the B flat, which can be a tricky one because we're right back on the nut of the guitar. So you have to push fairly hard there. And with our F, you can do that as a bar chord or an open chord there. And you can also do the G as a bar chord if you're going from the F to the G. So that's all the parts of the song. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.